What is going on? So these three big plays made me $6,100, nearly $6,200. So let's just quickly go over them. I will walk you through these trades, what I was thinking, and all sort of jazz, so you can go out there and implement this stuff in your trading and potentially catch a move maybe tomorrow. All right, let's go. So this was the pre-market high for SPY, and I was watching a pre-market high rejection. I was on the voice with my team, and okay, I realized this is the pre-market high, price moving higher, and we tried to break, couldn't break, and then next candle we rejected. Right, sweet. I'm still looking. This was the candle where I went like, you know what? There's no volume on the green candles. Clearly, I can see there's some sort of sellers jumping in every time we're trying to break above the pre-market high with such a low volume, and it was like nearly a no-brainer. So my stop loss for this trade was sitting at 399, roughly around 399, and my profit target was sitting somewhere at roughly around the VWAP or below the VWAP a little bit, but this was the trade. So I looked at it, I'm like, okay, if I'm gonna risk 20 cents to potentially make 80, that's four, I'm risking $1 to potentially make 4. So this was the trade. I was in my puts, and we got this, right? We got this whole move lower. See this? Now, exited a few contracts here and held my remainder of the contracts, and we got this move. And now, next time it broke below the VWAP. Now, the psychology behind breaking below the VWAP is a lot of people have their stop losses. So you know how people go, oh, if it's below the VWAP, I'm bullish. If it's above the VWAP, I'm bearish. If it's below the VWAP, I'm bearish. Above the VWAP, bullish. Yeah. So it got below the VWAP. Now I know for a fact people are bearish on it, right? And what happens? People are bearish. They're all gonna short soon, right? They're looking for a retest. This is how the VWAP works. They're looking for a retest at the VWAP. When we break below the VWAP, they're looking for a retest. Like, look at this. Break below the VWAP, closed below, look for a retest, reject it. Same kind of thing that I was expecting somewhere around here as well. And I usually trade on a 5-minute chart, so I'll just show you the 5-minute chart what happened. I was in a position here. Right? We got this rejection at the top, then it broke below the VWAP, came back, retested the VWAP. We got this entire move. At one stage, this candle was a huge red candle. Look at this. Entry at the VWAP, you're exiting nearly here, and I still had some runners, like I still had some contracts that was still running, right? So basically didn't sell everything, still had some contracts running, and was pretty beautiful, like beautiful trade. After this, the next setup that I keep looking at the screen because my fills are open there. My next setup came around at 10:55ish. So we'll go on a 5-minute chart, and we still have some puts. We caught this entire move down. Still have puts. Caught this entire move down. This candle was this big red. Look at this. Oh my god. This candle went from 398 to all the way to 397. A $1 rejection. Beautiful, right? So the next trade that we took, patiently waiting, still waiting. I had a bit of runners left from this, but still waiting for my next entry. Broke below. Sweet. Looking good. Now, it made a nice move, right? It made a nice move down. So on top of my brain, I'm looking at a retest because now, if you think about it, the trend has already been established, right? The trend has been established right here. You see this? The trend has been established. Now I'm just looking at a retest of the ATMA sitting at 397. I'm just looking at a play somewhere around here. If I could take a play towards the downside, I'll be happy, right? Now what happened? We waited patiently. This is exactly where we ended. Entered puts, I was on voice, I'm like, alright, I'm jumping in puts. entry, and this is what happened next. A big candle, it pushed a little bit, but a big candle moved lower. Look at this 1 minute chart. Look at this, boom, 397.2 all the way to 396. Still didn't sell. We're still holding this position. Now the selling point is the 200 moving average. Now remember, on a 5 minute chart, 200 moving average plays a significant role. Alright, so watch 200 moving average always. So this is the first trade we took here, second trade we took somewhere around here, third trade that we're taking somewhere around the 8 EMA rejection. Right, it touched 200 moving average. You see this? It touched 396, it touched 200 moving average, all out. Everybody in the chat is out. They're like, all right, sweet, done, happy. All right, perfect. We were already out, done for the day. So the first rejection play that came was right at the top, right? The second rejection play was once we broke below the view up and then came back retest, right? All puts, and then the third one was here. All were puts, and they all were beautiful trades, right? And the profit taken for first, entry here, profit taken, entry here, profit taken, entry here, profit taken. Beautiful, perfect setups. It does not get any better than this. So once you have a plan, once you see certain strategies, you pick, okay, this is my A plus setup. I'm only gonna trade this. As long as I keep trading my A plus setups, I will keep making money. Like, this is how the game works. If I keep trading my A plus setups, I have an edge. I will make money. Over a longer period of time, I will make money. And these trades are like my A plus setups. I love trading these names. So these are my A plus setups. You see what I'm saying? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we were done. Everybody in the chat printed. So, I mean, pick what works for you and keep trading over and over again. I just wanted to make this quick little video so I could, help you out a little bit with my trades, how I took them, what I was watching, and quickly walk you through the trades. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below, or like the video. At least you can like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Like to the video so I know that you like these sort of videos, like live walkthrough of the trades and explain the psychology. It will help me, I will know that, okay, somebody likes them out there. So my goal is not to grow my YouTube channel. My goal only is to provide you value so you can go out there and use this stuff and make some money as well. Why not? Alright, folks. Alright, sweet, and I will see you in a video tomorrow now. Alright, thank you.